Hello boys and girls, hello folks. Next up what we have is here. Next up we have the Fender Guitar Stand, and it's actually called a Fender Mini Guitar Stand, and it's for electric guitars. So it's a Fender Mini Electric Guitar Stand, and you can find these at music stores. You can find it online, which is actually I think where I got this. And again, it's made by Fender, and that's a reputable name. If you guys know anything about musical instruments, they make guitars, they used to make pianos. Remember the old Fender Rhodes? And they probably still make them, or make some pianos or some instrumentals, kind of like that. But anyway, they used to make that, and they definitely make Fender guitars, Fender Strat, Fender Telecasters. So, but music stand, a guitar stand made by the company Fender. And what I like about the stand is that they're really small. I mean, they're just like, you're not carrying a big old thing and having to lug it around. I remember carrying the bigger stands, and you've seen those, usually way taller, and they never fit anywhere. They never fit in your guitar case. They kind of never fit in your little gig bag thing. It's always a pain in the butt to fold them up. This one is really nice because, like the description says, it's mini. I mean, it's not very big at all. I mean, let me see. I could probably even measure it. All right, as you can see, it's already opened. It's already in its position to where you can put a guitar. Let's see how tall it is. We'll get this measuring thing here. And it's 14 inches tall, and wide it's probably about 13 inches. So dimensions of it when it's opened up, but it really folds up to a nice convenient size, and it's got like a little adjustment knob right here where you can turn it. You can slide this up. These fold, slide it up, and there. I'm telling you, you can't get as compact as that. That's really, really nice and compact there. That'll fit. That even fits inside my Fender. I mean, that's how amazing it is. And let's see how. Let's see the length of this. And it's just about a foot in length. Man, that's great. And it's not very wide. It's about 4 inches wide at its widest point. So that is pretty cool. And let's open it up again. As you can see, you can just put these are the holders that hold the edge of your guitar up. And all you gotta do is open it up. Make sure your knob is loose. So these will open up. Push it. It opens right up. And there it is, all opened up. That is pretty nice. Like I said, this is made by Fender. The good thing about this, it's that it doesn't weigh anything. It's light and compact. Probably weighs between a pound and a half, something like that. And it folds up really small, like I said. I mean, it fits anywhere. And then it does come with its own little bag. Again, I don't know what I did with it. So, because it's just so sturdy and robust, I just usually fold it up and throw it in the case so I can take it in and out right away. And like I said, I keep it in my Fender case. You know, it'll definitely fit in your gig bag. So that's what's cool about this little thing. Thing on it is that they're actually pretty sturdy on your guitar. Your guitar fits on there pretty good. It's made for electric guitars, so that's why the holders here, electric guitars are thinner than acoustic guitars. So even though an acoustic guitar will rest on here, they do make it for acoustic guitars actually, with these holding feet a little bit wider for your acoustic guitar. But this actually works really good for electric guitars. I should demonstrate and show you that right now. You can see it fits on these rubber feet, and they're made of like a styrofoam rubber here, so it's not going to scratch your guitar surface, which is really nice. And the back part of it, rubbery section here as well, so it's not going to scratch the back of your guitar neck. So again, This is how it fits on there. Really nice. It leans against the back. And man, that's nice. And it's pretty sturdy. Really sturdy. I mean, I have it on like a table thing here, and it's really sturdy. That is pretty good. So you don't have to worry about your guitar falling down or anything like that. So it works really good for that. And like I said, you can fold it up, and it folds up pretty compact. Let me show you that again. You loosen this knob right here, pull it up, fold the legs up. Let's fold these legs up. There you go. Legs are folded up. You can put these holders up. And there it is. Pretty amazing little piece. And again, it's made by Fender or for Fender, who knows. It's got the Fender name on it. You can find it online, that's where I found these. Or, you know, you can find it in music stores too. And they're not that expensive, they're pretty affordable. So if you want your guitar held steady and don't want to carry around a big old guitar stand, this one is definitely the way to go. Thanks, folks.